Jazz. It's a truly American art form, one of our country's unique contributions to the world of music. Sometimes irreverent, impulsive, or improvisational, jazz combines an emotional depth that comes straight from the heart with a kind of intricate melodies and harmonies that always leave your soul wanting more.
Justice is not uniquely American, but it's just as much a reflection of the American spirit. Like jazz, Americans are irreverent, impulsive, and sometimes improvisational. They're also fiercely independent, but truly believe that despite its flaws, the law works, and the American justice system is the best there is.
This is why the Fairfax Law Foundation brings jazz and justice together every year. The annual Jazz for Justice concert helps raise part of the money the foundation needs to support its larger mission and to achieve the goals upon which it was founded.
The most important part of the Fairfax Law Foundation's mission is found in the closing words of the Pledge of Allegiance, with liberty and justice for all.
To ensure justice for all, the Foundation has created the Northern Virginia Pro Bono Law Center, where attorneys, paralegals, and support staff volunteer their time and skill to bring legal services to those who need them.
It was like a harassment to me because one time, remember, he sued me and then he knew that I don't have no way to pay him. I have no job, I have no income, I have nothing, but still he insists after 2 years. So then I said, the lawyer said, don't worry about it, but I said he came back. This is like hunting me. And then he's going to come back in 2 years. So I said, I just want to settle it once and for all. The lawyer helped me, big deal. I'm very thankful.
She was a volunteer lawyer. She just helped me with everything, no charge. I offered to pay her, no charge.
A pro bono lawyer from Fairfax County contacted me, and I was eligible, so that's how I found out that I was eligible for divorce and name change. She made me feel very comfortable, very comfortable.
The Law Center's Wills on Wheels program helps low-income senior citizens by having pro bono attorneys travel to places where senior populations live or come together and provide life planning documents such as wills, powers of attorney, and advanced health directives.
And so they come and they do it in privacy, and it doesn't cost, and that's one of the great things about it. And it was done very professionally. I was very pleased with it, and I feel so much better, you know, now that I got it done, and the children know and exactly what I want done, and I have a lot of peace of mind, and they're pleased with it also.
They were very professional, all of them. I watch, and they had it set up where it was understandable. There's a lot of people that especially people in my situation, that don't have the funds, and a lot of them got too much pride and won't admit it, you know. But when you offer it like this, it doesn't look like a handout. It looks like that you're just there to help.
The Fairfax Public Law Library serves more than 70,000 people every year, providing printed texts and computer-based resources for researching a wide variety of legal issues, including domestic violence and child custody and support.
Justice isn't always about conflict. Sometimes it's about compromise and agreement. Attorneys with the Conciliation Program help resolve differences between parties outside the courtroom, reducing court caseloads and the cost of litigation.
An important part of why the Fairfax Law Foundation exists is to promote knowledge about and respect for our judicial system. That's why its law-related education programs are so important.
In the Foundation's Devonshire program, volunteer attorneys help at-risk students ages 13 to 18, to improve their decision-making skills and teach them about the physical, emotional, and legal costs of drugs and alcohol.
And in the Foundation's Court Tour program, lawyers guide thousands of middle and high school students through the court system each year. The students speak to judges and court personnel and are given the chance to view actual trials in session.
After I got home from the court tour, I told my sister, who's a middle schooler at Lake Braddock currently, that the court tour program wasn't just one of those field trips to get out of school. I actually learned a great deal. It gives 8th graders a glimpse into a career path that they might be interested in the legal field. I'm now a junior at Lake Braddock, and I applied for an internship at a law firm by the courthouse, and I ended up getting the job.
The Fairfax Law Foundation does all this and more. Its volunteers pursuing its goals with the same passion that makes a jazz musician give the music everything he's got.
Why do members of the community support the Fairfax Law Foundation? Because they know the law is more than words on a page. Like jazz, it's alive with possibilities.
And when everyone knows what the law brings to their lives and has access to its power, amazing things can happen.
In a place with liberty and justice for all.